apart from these accidents, there is the young generation who like to drive without having a driving license.
How you get the car?
Leave it on me, let's go.
Okay.
And eventually they fall into serious trouble. Team Xploreit have found an exciting solution. Keep watching.
Welcome back to our channel Xploreit, and today we have brought you guys to a new place.
And this is Alain Tiny. This place is all about traffic rules and regulations. This gives opportunities to the people, those who wish to drive and they don't have driving license. They have real traffic lights, roads, and also they give you training about the traffic rules.
So that's Ain Tiny. You have seen it. They have bikes, they have cars, they have karting. So now let me explain you the registration process. It's pretty simple. You just park your car, come here, pay for the registration, and then go to the arena directly. Have fun.
So we are done exploring the Ain Tiny. Put in my mouth better.
Sorry, continue.
So we are done exploring the Ain Tiny. The team has been very supportive, and I would like to thank them for their support and cooperation. And for the prizes, you can check their websites in Facebook and Instagram.
In case you guys are watching us for first time, so we are Team Xploreit. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon so that you guys can get all the updates.
And smash the like button as well.
Yes.
And smash this guy also.
And please don't forget to let us know your reviews about our channel, about this video, in the comment section. Thank you so much.
Till then, ma'as salama.
Ma'as salama.
See you in our next video.
Yes.